All right, we gotta talk about this. Also, new phone, iPhone 12 Pro. So we're gonna give her a shot and see how she does. This is my new truck. This is an Axial SCX 24 scale rock crawler. I've been eyeballing these for many years. Watching RC Sparks, and then I started watching Burn Peak for some mountain bike stuff, and he was all into them, and everybody has the same kind of opinion of these. They are just so much fun. They are so much more affordable, and they give you just about the same, I guess, itch, I guess we'll call it. Like, I'm going to probably end up upgrading pretty much all of this, which is pretty neat. I don't know, it's so cool. I've wanted one of these forever. Now that I have it, it's kind of just almost a little surreal. So I do have a few modifications already, including suspension. These are just kind of sprung whatever coilovers. I was told that the truck would be bouncy, which it is. It is pretty bouncy. So we're going to fix that. And then I've got a front skid plate. I don't know where it goes on exactly, but it goes on the front somewhere, which I'll probably do here in a few minutes. But what a neat thing. And obviously, because I'm a GM fan, this is an authentic GM certified ripper. So let's get to ripping. Alright, doing a lift kit on this bad girl. Guess not even a lift kit, just a suspension upgrade. It comes with these little black things, which have absolutely no resistance. The weight of the back of the body just maxes it out, and you guys can see how springy it is. It just, like, there's nothing to it. But then, so I got one on. If I push it straight down, you can see, like, the left side here. And you can see how this side here just keeps springing and this side here does not. This is the HR. This is a good plate, but same one. HR reservoir friction dampener. So I also don't have one of these ultra tiny wrenches to take the tire off, so I just kind of cheated and jammed it through one of the spokes. Like so. And just rotated till she lined up and turned it out and put the new one back in.